Alrighty, tubers. I don't know how good this camera really is, but I've been working on the 7.3 liter diesel here. I did a video a while back about doing the fuel injector, return lines, and all that fun stuff. It's been kind of hard to start lately. And the other day, I went to start it. The glow plug timer actually kicked on for once. It hasn't been working lately. And it locked on. It burned up all the glow plugs. And it burned up all the glow plugs. So I replaced all the glow plugs, got a new timer in it. I ran some fuel injector cleaner in it. I've got some oil additive in it. The fuel injector cleaner I put through it is the Hot Shots. Sold at AutoZone. It stuff's really great stuff. I'm sold on it by far. It's like $15 a bottle. It's really not too bad. But I'll show you how it made a difference. It's been stone cold. It's been sitting all day long, all night long. Shut that off so they don't get yelled at. I pushed the throttle a little bit there so it could go into its high idle, but it's running really good. I don't know how my phone's going to deal with that noise, but running really great. I think it's an 89. Oh, 91. It's a 91 model. Yep. It's running good.